know they fight war. We are not fighting war. Maybe what would they fight for? We know they fight war for Olru. We know they fight war for Olru. No be war we do. I beg you. We are not on war. Yeah. I saw the food, they plenty for Olru here.
What you make at the water, they inform everybody, make them hear this word. You get what you You get where you go fit talk reach. Everybody they talk where reach where your power reach. If you talk past your power for this country where we dey now, you go get problem. My name is Joseph. I'm from Biafra. I'm a soldier. I'm Army ID card with this. I carry my uniform inside my car. My uniform, they here with me. All of you when they here, I don't know you before. As I talk now, soldier fit they here. But what you are not sent for, if you deliver it, you may have problem at last. I tell everybody, say, if you get somebody, when they know, you call and make it come back home. I know what in my eye face before now. Now today make am 5 days when I come back from Meduguri, Boko Haram. You go believe say anytime when Nigeria government won't carry soldiers go Boko Haram, the only Christian where then they select go. If they carry you go there, now them go still call Boko Haram, tell them where you dey, may they come kill you there. If anybody die for that place, money where they're supposed to send to your family, now then go chopper. You get meeting where they do this morning for inside 302 artillery on Ishabara. And that meeting where they do, as me with you they talk now. Anybody where you know, make you ask them whether fight there for Olru since some months now. Or Imo State. They do meeting this morning, made them send soldiers go to Olru. Say anywhere they enter for Olru from their market, made them start to they kill people. Now the other way they give. As they give the order, because I say I know they go, my oga say make them fire me. But let me tell you something, if somebody is against you, and you have not done something wrong against that person, God will stand and fight for you. You should not fight with fear. As long as your hands are clean, God will always fight for you. As you are there and anywhere where you are there, they talk. When you see Aboki people, if you know say, you dey discuss about your fellow brothers. If you see them, you cut your story short. Because those people, then they walk up and down, make them carry information. Then go put their... Now you get trailer pass. Then go carry their phone, put for inside pocket, put them for record. Then go sit down for where people dey, make them record everything when people they talk. Before then go carry the matter waka. If person tell you say Nigeria na one, reply to the person that Nigeria is more than 1,000. Anything pertain Christian, Nigeria government don't want to see them. It's for you to trust yourself and your God in heaven. What you make I say, may call your person from their place, may they come back. From now till that on 28, they won't pass order. Say anywhere where they locate Christian for their land, may they start to fight them. A word is enough. I cannot talk more than this. That is what I am out for. I'm okay with it. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you too.
All right, thank you very much, y'all.